All right, what's up, y'all? This is Shemika, and I just wanted to show you how easy it is to remove the wig. I told you I was going to do a video with the Mellow Out spray. I normally like to take my wigs off every 2 days, maybe 3. 3 is normally the longest I'll go, just because I like to be free. That's why it's called Mellow Out. So this is my second day. I put this on Monday. You see how wild and crazy my hair looks? This is with no product added, like literally none. It's just literally, I washed it, I co-washed it, and like let it air dry. I didn't even put any oils or anything. I actually like how big it is. But anyways, let me get back to focus. So only thing you're gonna do is you're going to just spray your front hairline with the spray and let it work. So right now, this is 2 days. You see how it's not moving? It has no give. All the thing you're gonna do is spray the front hairline and let it work. If you put a lot of the Melt Me Down spray on your hairline, it will take a little bit additional time to lift. So just keep that in mind. But ultimately, only thing you're gonna do is spray the front hairline or the frontal, wherever you put the Melt Me Down spray at. And then you're gonna let the product work. And it smells so good and yummy and refreshing that it feels good on my skin. So I'll just let it work. And you don't need a lot, but I can still feel like it's still tight. And sometimes you might have to go inside to where the lace is if it's really not budging and you're trying to get it off like same day or something like that. And I'll spray right in between there so you can get in between like where all the melting spray is, so it can come off. And this product doesn't do nothing to the hair. Like, it doesn't make it feel greasy. It's actually refreshing, actually. It doesn't like make it feel like, oh my gosh, I got all this crap in my hair. So you literally can put this on your hair, your wig, and let it air dry the next day or the same day. It's not moving yet. And if you see it lifting, you can just pull it back and then spray it. While that's working, because I'm going to show you, so it's going to take less than 5 minutes. It's a gentle, I'm going to read the label. It's a gentle lace removal spray that replenishes not only the hair, but also the skin. It's paraben free. It has orange peel oil, kelp extract, and pro vitamin B5. This product also has sea kelp, chamomile, isn't that good for sleeping? And cucumber, sage, rosemary, aloe, and vitamin C moisturizer, conditions, soothes, and rejuvenates with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial properties. We like antibacterial properties. Superior moisturizer for your skin, as well as a gentle removal for your lace hair unit. And I think it's almost there. Nope, still got some right here. But normally I would just spray this and go cook or something. Like, I be cooking like that, y'all know I don't. But I'll go spray it and then go mess my son, help him do his homework or something like that in the meantime. It's almost there. I think there we go. So in less than 5 minutes, ta-da, I was able to remove it. Here's my closure wig. It's a 4x4 closure. Still a little piece still on there. If you have to, you can go inside and spray it that way. Did it. All right, now I got it. Now I can go take this wig off. And go about my business. that's an easy, quick removal with the Mellow out from the Melt Me Down install. So if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up, DM me. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.